Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.